I decided to get a little ride in today. We haven't had many good days for riding. Haven't been on my bike in a long time, and I could tell. But I wanted to get a little ride in before I did my yard work. So I will pick you up when I start doing my yard work. I made it back from my ride. Now it's time to get these potatoes out of the ground. As you can see, quite a few of the leaves have turned yellow. And I did train them up this here trellis. But they're starting to turn also. That's a nice one. Oh, wow. This is my sweet potato harvest. I didn't plant a lot of them, but I'm a little puzzled. If anyone ever grown any sweet potatoes and they come out like this, please let me know, because I don't understand this. I did get a couple of large ones down here. So I'm pleased with what I got, because I didn't really plant that many. And for what I planted, I'm pleased. But I hope to plant more next year. I don't know whether you can see this or not, but this is a moringa plant. I got some seeds off of Amazon and I planted it because I was looking at Jake Mace and he said that they grow quite fast. So I put it in a pot. I don't know if you can see how large that trunk is, but the leaves are starting to turn. So I don't know. I really don't know what I'm going to do. I was thinking about taking it in and seeing if it'll last over the winter and bring it back out. Because you see, but in the fall this happens to trees. So I don't know, but I do pick off leaves off of this here and I eat it. Moringa is good for a lot of things. So you should look it up and check it out. And you might want to try planting some in a pot. Peace and love.